Hey guys, I'm interior designer Ariella Horowitz, and I'm super excited to share with you this beautiful Hampton-Style home in Wayne, New Jersey that we meticulously designed from top to bottom, inside and out. Let's take a look. The spectacular design begins with this grand double-height foyer. We added this wall paneling to bring a classic touch to an otherwise contemporary aesthetic, which underlines the attention to detail that I bring to all of my projects. We sourced and selected this huge chandelier and the runner that dresses up the sweeping staircase. Coming down this would make anyone feel like a star. You'll definitely be ready for your close-up. Off the foyer, we have the dining room, the family room, and this dramatic formal living room. For the walls and the trim, I chose this beautiful deep blue gray color. I contrasted it with light Roman shades, this lucite coffee table, and these cream-colored linen chairs. But no living room is complete without the perfect sofa, and I went with this velvet one with polished nickel legs. This is just a great space to sip a spicy margarita, tickle the ivories, and gossip with friends. I think you'll agree that even for open house, the scale of this family room is truly jaw-dropping, with these 20-foot-high white oak coffered ceilings. But I also needed to make it feel warm and welcoming. I did that by bringing in this plush, oversized, comfortable sofa and a pair of boucle side chairs. I custom designed this limestone fireplace mantel and these handsome two-tone built-ins. In another unexpected twist, the wine cellar is visible from the family room through this iron-framed glass wall. Oh, and speaking of glass, this wall of accordion glass doors opens up to the patio and grounds for seamless indoor and outdoor entertaining. I designed the outdoors so that every day feels like a holiday for my clients. The patio has zones for dining and reclining. The pool deck has an outdoor kitchen and bar, and the covered portico features a fireplace. A great place to sit after a refreshing dip in the pool, which on a sunny day like today sounds perfect. But there's no time for a swim. There's more house to see. Follow me. We've seen a ton of two-tone kitchens, so I opted for three tones, and I think it works beautifully. I mixed the white perimeter cabinets with the white oak showstopper hood and hutch units and painted the island navy blue. I selected durable quartzite for the countertops and an onyx mosaic backsplash for texture and visual interest. After all, this kitchen is open to the family room, so it had to be both functional and stylish. This family is obsessed with basketball, so you know I had to do something extra special in the basement, beginning with the GOAT, Jordan. The basement also includes a full gym, a bar, there's even a salon. That's cool. Oh, did I mention the basketball court? This two-story basketball court is always a crowd pleaser. Next stop, the NBA. Bang, bang. Don't believe the editing. I missed pretty much every shot. Now let's continue with something that I'm good at, design. Let me show you the primary suite. The primary is, of course, one of my favorite rooms in the house. I used all neutrals with different shades of white that add texture and interest. And these boucle lucite chairs are perfect and unexpected. Just a great place to sit by the fire. I custom designed it in black Nero Marquina, and it's one of my favorites ever. And who doesn't love a canopy bed? They wanted luxury, and that's exactly what I gave them. The greatest pleasure I get from design is seeing a home come to life. And this home is full of life. That's why it's one of my favorites. It was a pleasure showing you around, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one.
Okay, we're getting down to business. If you enjoyed that video, you gotta like it and subscribe. We'll see you here on YouTube.